Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today, actually before I get started, I want to send a huge shout out to Big Lorry. He just sent me a very kind email earlier, and yeah, overall, just a great guy. Thanks, man. He also has an 1878 Morgan silver dollar. So if you want to see a very old coin in spectacular condition, he has it, and I'm going to put those links in the comments and the description. So yeah, let me show you this Golden State Mint bar. I wanted to make this video for any pure stacker. That's just someone who's not concerned with all the hype around coins and everything, and they just want cost-effective stacking. And I believe Golden State Mint is probably one of the best. They have really good prices, you know, above the spot, really low premiums and decent deals. So check them out if you're into just pure stacking and you just want to grow your stack as fast as possible. So I'm going to show off this bar, frosted lettering, mirrored background, Golden State Mint, 1 troy ounce, 0.99 fine silver, quality assured with a little logo there, has a smooth edge, and the back looks really good. Mirrored lettering for the repeating logo, and a frosted textured background. Let me zoom out. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. And like I said, very cost effective. So anyone who's into pure stacking, I would suggest Golden State Mint directly online. It's a good way for cost effective stacking. I just wanted to send a couple more shout outs to some really cool people. They're always sending me support in my videos, and I always send them that same love back. And that's Seduced by Silver. Really great person, just great personality. I think she's into like old copper coins. She has a really good silver collection that's growing every day. And Centurion Silver, he has deal alerts. So every few videos he'll let you know where there's a good deal in silver. So if you're into pure stacking, that's a good channel to sub to. He also has a lot of cool gold pieces, so I would definitely check those out. Silver Baggins, he has the best energy. He has the best handwork, and he's always stoked about something. He's awesome. Just overall good guy. And what those three all have in common right now is they all have upcoming giveaways. So if you check out their channel, drop some comments, smash a bunch of like buttons, and see what they're up to, you know, something might come your way. Just saying. Really good time to check them out. So yeah, just want to send that love right back out to the community. Thank you all for supporting me and sending me very great messages on Instagram and my email and everything. You guys are just wonderful people. So yeah, I'm getting all choked up. So yeah, I'm Southside Stacker. Thank you very much for checking this out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.